Hello friends, in today's video, I am gonna show you how to set custom URL of your channel. For doing that, open your NEF browser and type in Google search bar studio.youtube.com and hit enter. After placing this address, your YouTube channel will be opened here, and if it doesn't open, then simply you will have to log in with your channel ID. Now here on this page, you will have to tap on customization. Now here tap on basic info. Scroll down. And here you can see set a custom URL for your channel option. So tap on it. As you can see, my channel name is Andro786 and it is selected automatically. You can add here more to make your URL unique. So I wanna type here all about Android. After typing here whatever you want. Now here you can see an option of publish. So tap on it. Here is confirmation message, tap on confirm. And your YouTube channel custom name has been changed. Now let's go to YouTube app. And as you can see here, your channel custom URL is changed now. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Till then, goodbye.